Racing just started with Pambihira. First to show quickness at the start. Panganib boy is down on the inside. Maaliwalas, Matayog comes next. Then followed over by Code of Love. While Mapagtiis is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pambihira, followed closely by Panganib Boy in second. Code of Love is down on the inside. Matayog is racing in fourth. Maaliwalas comes next, while Mapagtiis is still racing in last. And as they swing down the back, Pambihira, Panganib Boy moving up on the outside. Code of Love in the middle portion. Maaliwalas is racing in fourth. Then comes Matayog, while Mapagtiis is still racing in last. But this time now trying to get closer. And at the fourth turn we have Panganib Boy. Maaliwalas moving up now on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Maaliwalas now takes command. Panganib Boy, Mapagtiis now trying to get closer in third. Pambihira, Code of Love, and Diana Winter in the home stretch. We have entry number 4A, Maaliwalas, Mapagtiis in the middle portion. Panganib Boy is down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. Mapagtiis, Maaliwalas on the outside, and finally it's Mapagtiis, Maaliwalas, Panganib Boy, Code of Love.
Yun nga po, nagtiis lang sa huling pwesto at nagpalakas pagsapit ng ating last 600.